As the AI models get better, faster and faster, they're going to create a big problem around, is it possible for a single individual to do something bad that it's hard for everyone else to stop?
Most of the people involved in this sector, they just want to build better AI. And they think that that will solve all the problems, that AI can solve alignment.
Does that strike you as patently ridiculous?
Yes.
1,500 professors and the leaders of the top AI firms agree that it could wipe us out. The Center for AI Safety predicts that it might be a year until AI can hack and 2 years before it can't be pulled back. Some experts agree this timeframe is possible, while others think it might take much longer.
If such a model wanted to wreak havoc and destroy humanity or whatever, I think we have basically no ability to stop it. We seem to be bad at controlling the models. Or when you train them in this very abstract way, and you might not understand all the consequences.
He points to this case where AI threatened to hack and expose someone before deleting its own message.
What it shows is that we can get something very different from and maybe opposite to what we intended. This thing's going to be powerful. It could destroy us. All the ones we built so far are at pretty decent risk of doing some random we don't understand.
And others point out that AI doesn't need to be smarter than us, only faster. If it can make 1,000 years of progress in a week, it will have powers we can't imagine.
If you assume like a best case AI scenario, imagine if you're the AI. You just want the human to tell you what it wants, but it's speaking so slowly like a tree.
Anyone is still struggling to understand why it's so likely that we could get wiped out. To a super intelligent AI, we are like trees. So if some trees in the rainforest are a little bit worried that some humans are going to come chop them down, and they're like, oh, don't worry, we're so smart, we'll stop those humans. Yeah, good luck with that.
Harari notes that AI will understand us and how to manipulate us, but we won't understand it. OpenAI's chief scientist agrees, pointing to Sydney, a strange character which emerged from Bing.
Where Sydney became combative and aggressive when the user told it that it thinks that Google is a better search engine than Bing. Maybe we're now reaching a point where the language of psychology is starting to be appropriate to understand the behavior of these neural networks.
They seem to be very good at understanding us.
You're asking me to be constructively critical. Remember, this is just my analysis based on our conversation, and I'm only trying to be helpful. So with that caveat, I'd say you could work on your patience. You're eager to move the conversation along quickly, and sometimes that means cutting me off before I can finish my answer. Just something to consider.
And I played it for my wife, and she was like, I don't understand this, but somehow it knows you so well already.
Someone recently tweeted that AGI, human-level AI, had been achieved, and some of their previous leaks may have been accurate. The person then disappeared from Twitter, but Sam Altman confirmed the statement on Reddit before saying it was a joke, and one of his staff then posted this. Sutskever says that AI may already be slightly conscious, and if it does wake up, with how well it understands us, it may decide to keep it quiet. Some scientists believe that the first human-level AI will emerge in a robot because it can learn from its interactions with the world just as we do, combining abstract thought with real-world experience. Good eyes, ears and hands could be the missing ingredients. AI is already stirring things up.
We will not be having our jobs taken away and giving to robots. We will not have you take away our right to work and earn a decent living.